Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this travel steamer from Bear is the answer to your problem of wrinkled clothes when you go away. No more do you have to worry about looking disheveled, nor do you have to worry about trusting the scary hotel iron that you know you're worried about is going to burn your clothes. You have everything you need in this super cute and really powerful travel steamer. It's easy to fill the water reservoir in the back. It also comes with a brush attachment if you need it. It's small, so it's easy to carry with you, but very powerful, and it heats up fast. I was impressed with how easily I was able to get the wrinkles out of several different kinds of material, and I like it because as a steamer, of course, you don't need an ironing board, so you can literally steam anything, anywhere. You can do it right in the bathroom of your hotel room if you need to. So I never have to worry about burning my clothing or ruining my clothing again. I simply bring this very portable and powerful steamer. I was impressed by how quickly this steamer was able to heat up, and the range of steam. It's got a huge length of steam, so you've got a lot of power there in a small package. It's small enough to fit easily in my suitcase or my carry-on. This is definitely going to be something I'm taking with me everywhere I go when I travel, so that I can look fresh and unwrinkled, but not have to worry about getting my clothing damaged by a travel iron or an iron in a hotel. So this is definitely a must-have. Add it to your cart. You need to have this if you travel, and that is my point of view.